5 rules rich people never break. Wealthy people live by these 5 rules. Break them, and you'll stay broke. These rules aren't just theories. They're habits that millionaires and billionaires follow daily. If you want to step into their world, you need to live by them too. Rule 1. Never spend more than they earn. This sounds simple, but most people fail right here. Think about it. The average person earns money and immediately spends it on cars, clothes, and gadgets to impress others. But wealthy people, they understand one powerful truth. Money you waste today can't grow tomorrow. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, still lives in the same modest house he bought decades ago. Why? Because he values freedom over flashy spending. The first step to building wealth is discipline. Spend less than you earn, and let the difference work for you. Rule 2. Always invest before spending. Poor people spend first and then ask, what's left to save? The rich do the opposite. They invest first and spend what's left. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or businesses, they make their money work before they reward themselves. This mindset flips the script. Instead of working for money, their money starts working for them. That's why their wealth multiplies while others struggle to keep up. Rule 3. Protect their time like gold. Money lost can be earned again. Time lost, it's gone forever. The wealthy know this, which is why they treat time as their most valuable currency. They delegate tasks, automate processes, and focus only on things that create massive impact. Jeff Bezos once said he makes only a handful of high-quality decisions each day because quality matters more than quantity. Protect your time, and you protect your future. Rule 4. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is dangerous. If it disappears, so does your security. Wealthy people spread their income across businesses, real estate, stocks, royalties, and more. This not only grows their wealth but also protects them from financial storms. Think of it like a river. If one stream dries up, the others keep flowing. Rule 5. Surround themselves with other achievers. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you spend time with people who complain, doubt, and fear, you'll absorb the same energy. But when you surround yourself with ambitious, driven, and successful people, you level up automatically. Success is contagious, and so is failure. Choose your circle wisely. Your network truly is your net worth. You don't need millions to follow these rules, but following them is how you'll get there. Start small, spend less, invest first, protect your time, build new income streams, and surround yourself with winners. Do these consistently, and wealth will follow you naturally.